Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be drawing Ayeza, who was actually suggested to me by one of my subscribers, so thank you very much for that. After having done some research, I found out that she's actually Pakistan's most famous TV actress, so it will come as no surprise that she has garnered a total of 9 million followers on Instagram. That also makes her the most followed Pakistani actress, so you can imagine just how popular she is in her home country. Apparently, she started out as a fashion model before she made her debut on television, which is very believable since she's definitely got the visuals of a top-ranking model. What I like very much about her are her light olive-colored eyes, her smooth skin, and also just her overall angelic vibe. Furthermore, on this specific picture she looks very calm and glamorous, which I believe will definitely make for a very nice artwork. Now, before I start drawing this lady, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm thinking that this drawing will turn out well, so please watch and enjoy the video, and let me know what you think of the end result.